Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be unboxing a Tapo C200 pan tilt home security Wi-Fi camera. So let's open the box. Let's have a quick look at some of the features. It's 1080 high definition quality, 360 horizontal range, privacy mode, night vision, two-way audio. You can share it. It's a micro SD card and it can store up to 128 gigabyte is recommended. A live view, and apparently it's easy setup. Okay, so I picked up this camera from Argos. At Argos at the minute they are doing a deal. You buy two cameras for $44.99. If you were to buy one camera, it is $29.99. So I made a saving today of £14.99 because I bought two of these. So it's a great saving to be made there. So it's not too big. That's good. There's a long cable that comes with that. That's very good. We've also got a mount base. So if we were to attach it to a wall, obviously that can move upwards, sideways, or to the ceiling even. So yeah, comes with the screws and the plugs. So here we have the quick start guide. Remember now to subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much for watching. Goodbye.